Okay guys, inside Premiere Pro I've got this video, but I'll be working only onto the audio track. And the first thing I'll do is to play it so you can hear the quality of this audio.
Hey, what's going on guys, Pizza Lakoof here, and first of all I want to apologize seeing me in that kind of state.
Okay, there is 3 problems with this audio. First, it's not so loud. Second, there is a lot of background noise. And third, in general, it's a bad quality. So what I'm gonna do next is go up to audio, and then we're gonna have this audio track mixer. You can see that we've got 3 columns, and that is because I've got 3 columns on my timeline. Then I'm gonna go back to the audio track mixer, and I'll be working on to track number 1, which is this one. And by clicking on this arrow, little arrow, this is gonna change the view of this audio mixer. When I click it, we're gonna have this. And again, this is track number 1, track number 2, and track number 3. From here, I'm gonna go back to track number 1, and we've got another small arrow which says effect selections. I'm gonna click on it, and this is gonna open all these effects. From here, I'm gonna choose amplitude and compression, and when I hold on it, we've got more options. I'm gonna go down to multi-band compressor. I'm gonna click on it, and now we have applied this effect onto the whole track number 1. Then I'm gonna click twice with the left button of the mouse, and this will open that kind of window in front of us. Then from presets, you can see that we've got default, but when I open it, we've got all these options. And what I will recommend you is the broadcast presets, which I use all the time for my audio. I'm gonna click on it and choose it, and straight away this is gonna change all the values in this window. From here, I'm gonna go down to low, and from 137 I'm gonna change it to 100. Now I'll play it, and I want you to listen very carefully.
Days ago I tore my Achilles and I had operation, so the only thing
Then I'm gonna switch off the effects and play the audio again.
I decided to create something.
This is without, and then I'm gonna turn it on,
And that something is a video about how to,
and this is with the effect, and as you can hear, it's a massive difference. But now when we increase the volume, you can hear that there is even more background noise. So what I'm gonna do, I will close this window, go back to track number 1, open the second arrow, and then I'm gonna go down to noise reduction. From here, I'm gonna use the denoise effect, and again I'm gonna click twice on it. But first I'm gonna move the cursor at the beginning of the video, and as you can see now we've got presets. This time I'm gonna leave it as default, and I'm gonna go down to amount. I'm gonna move this little dot all the way to the right to 100%. Also, you can see that we've got a few options from here, precision focus, and I always leave it on to all frequencies. And then when I play it from the beginning, you can hear that there is no background noise.
Hey, what's going on guys, Pizza Lakoof here, and first of all I want to apologize seeing me
Now I'm gonna play it again without the denoise effect.
In that kind of state. A few days ago I tore my Achilles and I had operation.
And simply you can hear the difference between with and without the denoise effect. And that's it guys, that's how you can improve your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's not overwhelming or very difficult thing to do. It's super easy and simple. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button because this will help with the YouTube algorithm. And please don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.